Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. I am making lemon tart pastries today. First I will make icing, then bake a sheet cake to make pastries. To make icing I have egg yolks 6, unsalted butter 4 tablespoons, sugar 7 tablespoons, juice of half lemon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, semi-sweet chocolate chip 2 tablespoons. So let's start making icing with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a small pan add sugar, egg yolks, vanilla essence and lemon juice. Mix them and turn on the flame. Keep the flame very low while cooking. Add butter and cook it for 6 minutes on very low flame until it becomes thick like this. Turn off the flame and take half of it in a bowl, then add chocolate chip in the pan to make chocolate icing. It is also ready, alhamdulillah. Keep them at room temperature. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our icing is ready, alhamdulillah. Let's bake cake for our pastries now. To bake our cake, we need large eggs 5, unbleached all-purpose flour 2 cups, sugar 1 cup, milk half cup, oil half cup, baking powder 2 teaspoons, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. So let's mix it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To make batter for cake, I am using KitchenAid stand mixture. I am using it for 10 years and it is a great help in kitchen. You can make cake batters, different kind of dough and whipped cream and much more. You will be amazed to see the result of mixing in it. As you see my cake cookies dough, mashallah. Let's start mixing cake. Now add eggs in stand mixture and use whisk attachment. Mix them at high speed for 30 seconds. Then add sugar and mix for another 30 seconds. Then add oil in it. Mix them for 1 minute on high speed. Then add vanilla essence and milk. Mix for 10 seconds and keep the speed low. To add baking powder and flour in it. Add flour gradually in it. At the end of the mixing, keep the speed high for 30 seconds. Alhamdulillah, cake batter is ready. Let's pour it in the pan with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am using 8 by 6 inch baking pan. I brush some oil and dust flour. Then place a parchment paper in it. I will bake it in a preheated oven for 50 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Alhamdulillah, it baked beautifully. Now I will remove its top and edges. Then apply icing on the top and in the middle of the cake. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pastries are ready, alhamdulillah. I have chocolate icing in a piping bag. I will decorate our pastries now with Bismillah. Let's make some flowers on it. Mashallah, pastry looks so cute and delicious. Alhamdulillah, they are ready, so let's enjoy them with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, so cute and mouth-watering lemon tart pastries are ready. To enjoy, share the recipe with your loved ones. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Myfoodcart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.